Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM modules. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user looking to upgrade your laptop's performance, we've got you covered. Let's check out our top picks and break down the pros and cons for each one to help you make an informed decision. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Teamgroup Elite Sodimm DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM. The Teamgroup Elite Sodimm DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM is designed to offer top-tier performance for laptops, making it ideal for users who need high-speed processing and energy efficiency. With features like a faster clock speed, energy-efficient voltage, and enhanced system stability, this RAM module brings a combination of power and reliability. Here's a closer look at its key pros and cons. Pros: blazing fast performance. The 5600 MHz frequency provides a significant boost in speed compared to older RAM generations, ensuring smooth multitasking and faster data transfer rates. This is particularly beneficial for resource-intensive applications like gaming, video editing, and running virtual machines. Energy efficiency. Operating at a low 1.1 V, this RAM module is designed to consume less power, making it a great choice for laptops where battery life is crucial. This efficiency also reduces heat generation, leading to potentially longer hardware lifespan. Enhanced stability with on-die ECC. The inclusion of on-die error correction code ECC helps automatically correct minor data errors, leading to more stable system performance, particularly during high-load tasks. While not as robust as server-grade ECC, it still adds a layer of reliability that standard non-ECC RAM lacks. Improved multitasking. With its upgraded capacity options, this RAM can handle multiple applications running simultaneously without significant lag. This feature is a boon for power users who need to juggle various tasks such as streaming, editing, and browsing all at once. Cons: latency considerations. Higher frequency RAM sometimes comes with increased latency. While this RAM offers higher speed, users focused on low latency performance may want to consider balancing speed with timing specs for optimal performance. The Teamgroup Elite Sodimm DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM is an excellent choice for those seeking cutting-edge speed, energy efficiency, and enhanced stability. It's particularly beneficial for power users, gamers, and professionals dealing with heavy multitasking and high-performance demands. However, its price and potential compatibility limitations may deter some users. Overall, it offers strong value for those looking to future-proof their laptops, especially with the reassurance of a lifetime warranty. Coming in at number 4, the Kingston Fury Impact DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM. The Kingston Fury Impact DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM is designed to offer powerful performance upgrades for gaming, rendering, and multitasking. With features like automatic overclocking, Intel XMP 3.0 certification, and on-die ECC, this RAM module combines efficiency and stability. Below, we break down the key pros and cons of this RAM upgrade. Pros: significant performance boost. The jump from DDR4 to DDR5 with this Kingston RAM offers a 50% speed improvement. This results in faster load times, smoother gaming experiences, and quicker rendering, making it ideal for gamers and content creators. Automatic overclocking. The plug-and-play feature allows for instant overclocking without manual setup. It automatically adjusts to the highest supported speed, providing a performance boost without the need for tweaking BIOS settings. This convenience is perfect for users who want top performance without the hassle. Intel XMP 3.0 support. With Intel XMP 3.0 certification, users can enjoy pre-optimized memory profiles for stable overclocking. This feature is especially valuable for those who want to push their system to its limits while maintaining reliable operation. Energy efficiency. Like other DDR5 modules, this RAM operates at just 1.1 V, leading to reduced power consumption. This not only saves battery life on laptops but also keeps the system running cooler, which is beneficial for sustained performance during demanding tasks. Enhanced stability with on-die ECC. The inclusion of on-die error correction code ECC helps maintain data integrity, even when running overclock speeds. This feature reduces the risk of crashes or data corruption, ensuring stable and reliable performance during intensive operations. Cons: overclocking gains dependent on system. While the plug-and-play feature simplifies overclocking, the actual gains may vary depending on the laptop's cooling system and overall configuration. Systems with weaker cooling might struggle to fully benefit from the RAM's performance potential. The Kingston Fury Impact DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM stands out for its blend of high speed, convenience, and stability. Features like automatic overclocking, Intel XMP 3.0 support, and on-die ECC make it a solid choice for gamers, creators, and power users looking to push their laptops to new performance heights. However, its premium pricing and compatibility constraints might make it less appealing to casual users or those with older systems. Overall, it's a powerful RAM upgrade for those seeking both performance and reliability. At number 3, we have the G.Skill Ripjaws DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM. The G.Skill Ripjaws DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM is designed for high-performance computing, offering a solid balance between speed and capacity for demanding tasks like gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking. With features like Intel XMP profile support and a large 64GB capacity, it aims to deliver an enhanced user experience for power users. Let's explore the key pros and cons of this memory kit. Pros: high capacity for demanding tasks with 64GB across two 32GB modules. This kit is ideal for power users who need to run memory-intensive applications like virtual machines, video editing software, and large databases. It also provides future-proofing for users who anticipate heavy multitasking or high memory demands. Fast performance with DDR5 5600MHz. The 5600MHz speed provides a noticeable performance boost, especially in gaming and professional applications that require rapid data processing. This makes it suitable for users seeking smoother gameplay and faster rendering times. Intel XMP profile support. The built-in XMP profiles allow users to easily reach the rated overclock speeds without manual tuning. This feature simplifies overclocking, making it accessible even to those who aren't experts in memory configuration. The flexibility to switch between XMP and JEDEC profiles also adds versatility. Energy efficiency. Operating at 1.10V, this RAM is designed to be power efficient, which can help reduce heat output and improve overall system stability during extended usage sessions. Dual-channel configuration for enhanced bandwidth. Running in a dual-channel setup ensures better data throughput, which is particularly beneficial for gaming and high-performance tasks where memory bandwidth plays a crucial role. Cons: no ECC support. Unlike some other high-performance DDR5 RAM modules, this kit does not feature error correction code, which might be a concern for users prioritizing maximum data integrity in mission-critical tasks. While ECC isn't typically required for gaming, its absence might be a drawback for professionals handling sensitive workloads. The G.Skill Ripjaws DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM is an excellent choice for users seeking high-capacity, fast speeds, and simple overclocking options. It is particularly well-suited for gamers, content creators, and professionals who need robust memory performance for heavy multitasking and demanding applications. Next up at number 2 is the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM is designed to bring high performance and efficiency to gaming and productivity laptops. Known for its reliability and ease of use, this RAM is aimed at users seeking straightforward upgrades for demanding applications. Below is an analysis of its key pros and cons. Pros: enhanced gaming and performance capabilities. The 5600MHz frequency ensures faster load times, smoother gameplay, and better overall system responsiveness. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals who require high-speed memory for multitasking and resource-heavy applications. Broad compatibility across systems. Unlike some RAM modules that are tailored for specific platforms, this Corsair RAM is compatible with both Intel and AMD laptops, as well as small form-factor PCs and Intel NUC kits. This flexibility makes it a versatile option for a wide range of setups. Effortless installation. The straightforward installation process is a big advantage, especially for users who are less experienced with hardware upgrades. In most cases, only a screwdriver is needed to swap out the old RAM and insert the new modules, making it a quick and hassle-free upgrade. Automatic speed boost. The Vengeance Sodimm modules automatically adjust to the highest supported speed on compatible systems, eliminating the need to manually configure settings in the BIOS. This feature is ideal for users who want the performance benefits of overclocking without the complexity. Proven reliability. Corsair's rigorous testing ensures that the RAM delivers stable performance over time, even under demanding conditions. The extensive screening process reduces the risk of defects and enhances long-term reliability. Cons: limited overclocking control. While the automatic speed setting is convenient, advanced users who prefer manual control over their memory settings might find the lack of fine-tuning options limiting. For those who enjoy tweaking timings and voltages, this feature could be seen as a drawback. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM is a solid choice for users looking for an easy, high-performance upgrade to their gaming or productivity laptops. With features like automatic speed optimization, broad compatibility, and proven reliability, it stands out as a versatile and user-friendly option. However, the potential premium price and limited manual overclocking controls may deter users who want more customization or are on a budget. Overall, this RAM is an excellent fit for those who prioritize performance, compatibility, and ease of installation in their memory upgrades. Finally, at number 1, we have the crucial DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM. The crucial DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM is tailored for modern high-performance systems, offering compatibility with both Intel and AMD platforms. With support for Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, this memory module is built for versatility, enabling productivity, gaming, and multitasking improvements. Below, we dive into the key pros and cons of this RAM upgrade. Pros: broad compatibility with Intel and AMD systems. One standout feature is dual compatibility with Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, making it easier for users to optimize memory performance regardless of whether they have an Intel or AMD-based system. This flexibility is ideal for those who want versatile RAM that can adapt as they upgrade their laptops. Improved productivity and multitasking with a high 5600 MHz frequency, this RAM enhances overall system responsiveness. Users can enjoy smoother multitasking, faster load times, and better gaming performance with higher frame rates, all of which contribute to a more efficient computing experience. Automatic downclocking for compatibility. The ability to downclock to 5200 MHz or 4800 MHz ensures broader compatibility with systems that may not fully support the top speed. This feature makes the crucial DDR5 RAM a practical upgrade even for users with mid-tier laptops that aren't optimized for the highest frequencies. Energy efficiency. Operating at 1.1V, the RAM is energy efficient, helping to keep systems cool and reduce power consumption. This is especially beneficial for laptops, where battery life and thermal management are critical. Future-proof for newer systems. Optimized for 13th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, this RAM is future-proof, offering a performance boost for those with or planning to upgrade to newer systems. Cons. Non-ECC memory. While non-ECC memory is standard for gaming and general use, professionals dealing with mission-critical tasks might miss the added data integrity provided by ECC. The lack of ECC could be a downside for users focused on error-free data processing. The crucial DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM is a strong contender for users seeking a balance of performance, compatibility, and efficiency. With support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, it's a versatile choice for those with or planning to upgrade to the latest Intel and AMD processors. Its energy efficiency and productivity enhancements make it ideal for gamers and professionals alike. However, the potential downclocking and single-rank configuration could limit its appeal for more demanding users. Overall, this RAM offers a solid upgrade path for those seeking reliable and adaptable memory for their laptop.